Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on Coinbase with a debit card. First, you'll need to set up your Coinbase account. This involves signing up on their website or through the mobile app. Next, you must complete identity verification, which is crucial for security and legal compliance. You'll typically need a valid government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. This step ensures your account has full functionality and is ready for transactions. Once your account is verified, the next step is to link your debit card. Head over to the Payment Methods section within your account settings. Here, you'll select Link a New Account and then choose the debit card option. Coinbase will then make 2 small, temporary debits to your card. You'll need to check your online bank statement for these amounts and enter them on Coinbase to complete the verification. With your debit card linked, you're ready to make a purchase. On Coinbase, click Buy and Sell, or on the mobile app, tap the plus sign and then Buy. You'll then select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to spend in your local currency. Before finalizing, always review the transaction details, including your chosen payment method and any applicable fees. It's important to understand the fees involved when using a debit card. Coinbase typically charges a fee of about 3.99% for debit card transactions. Additionally, a spread fee of 0.50% is usually applied. These fees are clearly displayed before you confirm your purchase. Always take a moment to review the total cost to ensure you're comfortable before completing your cryptocurrency buy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.